Advantage means something that helps or gives a better chance to succeed. It is something good that makes life easier or better. Today's lesson will explain what advantage means and how it is used in daily life. Advantage means something good or helpful. It gives a person or group a better position or more power to do something well. An advantage helps because it gives a better chance to win, learn, or succeed. It makes things easier or more possible. Being fast is an advantage in a race. The faster runner has a better chance to win because speed helps reach the goal first. A good teacher is an advantage for students. The teacher helps them understand lessons better and learn more easily. Advantage is the opposite of disadvantage. Advantage means something good. Disadvantage means something that makes things harder. In school, having books, a quiet place to study, and help from friends are advantages. They make learning easier and faster. In sports, a strong body, good practice, and teamwork are advantages. They help players perform better and win games. At work, skills, experience, and good tools are advantages. They help people do their jobs well and get better results. An advantage helps a person win or succeed. It gives extra support or power to reach goals. Even small things can be an advantage. A small idea, a kind word, or a little help can make a big difference. She has an advantage because she studies every day. Her daily practice helps her remember and understand more. Having a map is an advantage when traveling. It helps find the right way and saves time. An advantage helps solve problems faster. It gives better ways to think, plan, and act. In technology, new tools are an advantage. They help people work faster, save time, and do more tasks easily. In nature, animals use advantages to survive. A bird's wings or a fish's fins help them live in their environment. An advantage is always positive. It means something good that helps or supports success. In games, better equipment is an advantage. It helps players perform better and enjoy the game more. Having good friends is an advantage. Friends give support, share ideas, and make life happier. An advantage can change over time. What helps today may not help tomorrow, so it is important to keep learning. Practice gives an advantage to learn faster. The more someone practices, the better they become. Eating healthy food is an advantage for the body. It gives energy, strength, and helps stay active. Helping others is an advantage for friendship. It builds trust, kindness, and strong relationships. Saving money is an advantage for the future. It helps in emergencies and gives safety and peace of mind. An advantage should be fair for everyone. Everyone deserves a chance to use their strengths and succeed. Use advantages wisely. Help yourself grow, share with others, and learn new ways to create more advantages. Common phrases include take advantage, have an advantage, and gain an advantage. They all mean using something helpful to do better. What is an advantage? It is something good that helps a person or group succeed or reach a goal. Advantage means something good that helps success. It can be big or small, but it always makes things better. Try to use advantages in daily life. Study well, stay healthy, and use every chance to grow and improve. Thank you for learning about the word advantage. Keep learning new words and keep growing every day.